Here in this video, we'll be talking about the Skytech Gaming Aqua desktop PC and what you can realistically expect from it. I have provided the Amazon link to this desktop computer in the description below if you want to know the latest price and check the reviews from people who have already purchased it. This machine is built for anyone who wants high-end performance without dealing with complicated setups, and right out of the box it delivers a premium experience. The Ultra 9 285K processor paired with the RTX 5070 gives you the kind of speed that makes heavy games, editing workloads, and multitasking feel effortless. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM and the 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD also play a major role in keeping everything smooth, with near-instant load times and stable performance even when you're running multiple demanding applications. One of the biggest strengths of this PC is the cooling. The 360mm ARGB AIO keeps temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions, which means you won't have to worry about thermal throttling cutting into your performance. The Z890 motherboard and the 850W gold-rated PSU also create a stable foundation, giving you room for future upgrades and ensuring clean, consistent power delivery. Visually, the Aqua case with dual-tempered glass and RGB lighting makes the whole setup look premium and modern. Of course, like any high-end gaming PC, it's not perfect. The size of the case might be a bit large for smaller desks, and some people may find the RGB lighting a little flashy depending on their taste. Brand variation on the GPU can also matter for those who prefer specific manufacturers. But overall, for gamers, creators, or power users who want reliable top-tier performance, this PC offers a strong balance of speed, cooling, and long-term value.